Going back to that story about 9% effectiveness in elderly in terms of the flu shot, that was in some major media, but it didn't get a whole lot of legs. There was other stories about healthcare workers getting fired for not getting the flu shot.
Yes.
Why doesn't this send up red flags? People go, well, hey, wait a second. The flu shot's not working here. Why should I get one? You're firing me. I mean, it just
Well, there's a
doesn't make
lot.
sense.
There's a lot invested, as we may have mentioned before. There's a lot invested in the pipeline, if you will, of new drugs that are really not looking very promising for that industry, which is about as profitable as probably anything on the planet. And so they really are desperately clinging to the hopes that they can convince more and more of us that vaccinations are the way. If we can't vaccinate you for flu, how about we'll vaccinate you for the human papilloma virus that we claim causes cervical cancer 20, 30 years down the road, which is also another lie. It's an official story there to protect the official profits of Big Pharma. So the question is, you know, when is it that we wake up? And they don't want you to. And there's the mass media. We talk about, if you call it a mainstream or the old media, the monopoly media, totally in bed with Big Pharma and also big government, the government regulators who've been purchased by these multinational corporations that have no allegiance to any nation or state, least of all your health or my health, except that they can make us permanent customers by, well, force, in fact, which is the evolution of what we have not talked about, I think, since then, the passage of Obamacare, as they call it, which really it strengthened the medical monopoly. It did not bring any natural medicine, true prevention, or anything that I perceive would be of benefit to those in need, but it merely strengthened a monopoly that was losing its grip on the people. And they needed the force of government to corral everybody, keep them in line. And that is what it has achieved, and it's only going to bankrupt this country further and faster.